not sure if it'll be a model as such, but certainly it is having an impact, and you can see this in a couple of ways. New Zealand has a close relationship with a number of the Pacific countries, the Cook Islands, Vanuatu, where there have been problems in the past with sort of fraud and allegations around various things. So those jurisdictions are a little bit of concern, and the close relationship means that there's a need for sort of outreach and dialogue, mutual assistance there. And that is in place. For instance, we see the New Zealand Reserve Bank has good links with the Bank of Samoa, and so they are working with those jurisdictions to get their own compliance and their own regimes up to speed. On the more troublesome side, though, what you see is when any one country improves its regime, you have this issue of displacement. So sophisticated criminals say, well, that country's not quite the soft touch it used to be, where are we going to go? And so there's a movement around the region sometimes, and we've possibly seen that with Australia having a very robust regime in recent years, and now New Zealand following suit. So that'll be a riskier as much as a positive thing. Sadly, there's no simple answer, and it's been a topic of discussion this week with colleagues in Australia that beneficial ownership, and particularly around trusts, is one of the intractable problems of money laundering. New Zealand's no different. In fact, we have a very high usage of trusts. There's all sorts of family trusts and trading trusts and a lot of them in the system. And so getting the right data is critical there. And sometimes you can get that from company registry or land registries. But a lot of it, of course, with beneficial ownership, you have to be asking the questions. It's not available in the public records. So we're actually expecting in the next few weeks, hopefully before Christmas, some guidance from the regulators on that. But there's a lot of work going into that topic, and it's one of the hard ones, actually.